Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Gather the correct tools and prepare your workspace before starting the repair. Use a T8 Torx security driver and a 5mm plastic pry tool for safe opening. Work on a clean, flat surface with a small parts tray or magnetic mat to hold screws and springs. Power down the controller and remove batteries before you begin any disassembly. Take a photo of the controller layout for reference. Good lighting and patience prevent lost parts and accidental damage during the procedure. Start by removing the battery cover and 8 visible screws using your T8 Torx driver. Keep each screw in the parts tray and note their original positions. Gently insert the 5mm pry tool between the front and rear shell and work around the seams slowly. Release the clips evenly to avoid cracking the plastic. Lift the circuit board carefully and observe the bumper spring and pivot locations before removing old bumpers. Set the old bumper components aside and compare new parts for correct orientation. Place the new bumpers, springs, and plastic pivots into their housings, matching the original orientation. Reseat the circuit board gently and ensure all ribbon cables and connectors are secure and flush. Test the bumper travel manually before closing the shell to confirm smooth action and correct spring tension. Align the front and rear shells and press clips together until they snap in place. Reinstall the screws and tighten evenly without over-tightening to avoid stripping. Reinsert batteries and perform a full button and trigger test to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.